In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign group work in Google Classroom. This is a fantastic tool that allows teachers to efficiently manage group projects and collaborative tasks, ensuring that all students can contribute to and benefit from shared learning experiences. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll want to do is open Google Classroom. To do this, simply head over to classroom.google.com. Once you're there, you'll want to select the class where you wish to assign the group work. This is your starting point for everything we'll be doing today. Next, it's time to create a new assignment. Look at the top of your screen and click on Classwork. From there, you should see a button labeled Create. Go ahead and click that and then choose the option Assignment. This will open a new window where you can start detailing the group work. At this stage, it's important to provide clear instructions. Make sure to explain the group work objectives, the specific tasks each group should accomplish, and of course set deadlines. Clarity here is crucial because well-outlined instructions will guide your students and ensure everyone is on the same page about what needs to be done. Once you've prepared your instructions, you need to add a collaborative file. This is an essential part of the process because it allows all group members to work together in real time. To do this, click on the Add button and then select Google Drive. Here you can attach a Google Doc, slide or sheet, whatever suits the needs of your project. After attaching the file, make sure you set it so that students can edit file. This will allow all participating students to collaboratively work on the document, providing updates and inputs directly, which is vital for effective group work. This option fosters a real collaborative environment by enabling students to contribute equally and keep track of everyone's input. Now we're getting close to wrapping things up. The last step is to decide whether to assign the project immediately or to schedule it for later. If you're ready for the students to get started right away, go ahead and select Assign. However, if you prefer to have them begin at a future date or time, choose Schedule and specify when the students should receive access to the assignment. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're setting up an effective group work assignment in Google Classroom, leveraging technology to enhance collaborative learning and engagement among your students. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial, and I hope you walk away feeling confident about using Google Classroom for group work. Until next time, happy teaching.